Today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy garlic pull-apart bread. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to take some bread. You can use any kind, but I have a rustic sourdough bread. And what you're going to do is you're going to lay it on a pan over some foil, and then take your bread knife and cut them into diagonals one way, and then crisscross it and cut the diagonals the other way. Make sure when you cut it that you don't cut all the way down. You need to make sure that it's not being cut all the way through. Next, we're going to finely chop 4 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to take some parsley and chop up about a tablespoon of the parsley. Now we're going to take 1 stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. Once you take the butter out of the microwave, we're going to add some garlic salt. Just eyeball it. Some dried herbs. Some pepper. And some crushed red pepper flakes. And then you're going to take the garlic and the parsley and pour that into the butter. And stir up the mixture. I'm going to spoon the garlic and butter and herb mixture inside each of the cuts into the bread. So you have to pull the bread apart so you can pour the garlic and butter mixture inside. It smells so garlicky and buttery. Now we're going to make a mixture of the cheeses. We need some mozzarella and some shredded Parmesan and some sharp cheddar, but you can use any cheese. The mozzarella is going to give you that pull and the yumminess. So we're going to take the cheese and you're going to open up the sections and shove them into the bread. It's kind of messy. Just got to shove it in there. Gotta find the, there we go. You gotta find the diagonals. All right, I'm gonna take the leftover garlic and butter mixture and just brush the rest over the top. Now we're going to cover it with foil, and it's going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, you uncover the foil and let it bake again for another 10 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. It's been in there for 20 minutes, and now I'm going to unravel, open up the foil, and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. It's ready! Oh. You're getting this pull? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yum. It's hot. I'm gonna try it, but it's hot. This is cheesy garlic pull-apart bread. So good.